Hey guys, Nsheppard, Willies at Akins. Finally finished with our 4 Performance Blue Raptor. I'm trying to think of a cool name for this package, so let me know in the comment section what you think we should name our Raptor signature package. So let's dive right in. 4 Performance Blue, turned out amazing. We've got it next to my Race Red. Both have a 2.5-inch Ready Lift SST level kit. It's just a level kit, so you still get to use your factory Fox suspension, which is a big plus. Rigid tripod lighting on the bottom. We also gloss blacked out the front grille, lower skid plate, and painted body color, the 4 Performance fenders, cladding on the back, as well as a front and rear bumper. So it really looks great. Added some signature 4 Performance outlines around the Ford there. While we're taking a look from a distance, look at both trucks. The 4 Performance Blue is about a 1/2 inch taller. And the only thing that we can see the difference is we've got a 20x9 wheel in the Fuel Trophy on a 37-inch Nitto Trail Grappler. The Trail Grappler is a true 37-inch tall tire. The Toyo MT in 37 is about 36.6. So that, also with the balloon effect of a 9-wide wheel versus the 10-wide on the red truck, that balloon effect makes this one sit a little bit higher. And you can see, look at the mirrors, guys. You can see at the mirror, the blue one's just a little bit higher. That's not a knock on either stance. It's just one, based on what wheel and tire you run, is going to affect the overall height. So keep that in mind. That's stuff that we know that most don't. So coming on around, Kenny, I got my main man, Kenny Fletcher, videoing for us today. Give us a good look at our painted fender flares on the side. We've got a Fuel Trophy wheel in 20x9, and again, 37, 12.5, 20 Trail Grappler. Let's go to the back, Kenny. Just let us know what y'all think about the 4 Performance Blue too. We really love this color. On the back, you can see, kind of like the red, we've got the outline Ford lettering on the rear and the custom painted bumper also. So this was all, this and the cladding on the side was all gray, magnetic, just like this. So this really enhances the overall looks and just makes it look more custom and signature. Last but not least, to push these 37-inch tires, because when you go with 37s, you're definitely going to see a minor fall off in power just because of the added weight and overall size of the vehicle. It got 14 gears, which is a plus. But we installed the Roush cold air intake as well as the tune, which gives it, you ready for this? 507 horsepower. From 450 to 507, it really livens up the engine, and it comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from Roush, which is, of course, is a great partner with Ford. We did not smoke the headlights. We did on the red one. So that's one thing we did not do, front and rear. But besides that, they're both signature Raptors here at Akins and Willies, and we'd love to build one for you. So if you like it, reach out to us. Kenny's a great salesman, so shout out to Kenny, hit him up. But we'd love to build your next dream Raptor right here at Willies and Akins. Thanks, guys.